Facial, and Jamie is going to be taking care of you today. The Deluxecology Facial is an extremely deep cleansing facial and makes the skin bright and clean. So the first step, I should just do passes of cleansing, so just like me washing your face.
Okay. It feels good.
See? It has to be pampered every now and then.
Yeah, just let the guys find out.
So this is the Azuline mask.
Mask.
A mask, and it's blue.
Oh. Well, this is one thing I thought I'd never have.
So I won't tell anybody. And you're going to lay under the steam for about 10 minutes. And the steam opens up the pores, loosens up all the dirt inside the pores, increases circulation.
Steam on my face felt very nice. Initially, I was a little uncomfortable with it, but as time grew on, it was very nice, warm, relaxing. Loves you to sleep.
Did you sit in the steam room?
No.
No.
But growing up in the South, it's always lots of sun in the summertime.
Oh, yeah. Considering we just finished steaming you, now I'm going to do some extractions.
The extractions was the most unpleasant of the steps.
Start.
Oh, Lord, yes. I need some anesthesia.
It's important for men to deep cleanse their skin about every